In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count total checkboxes in a Google Sheets checklist. This can be an incredibly useful skill, especially when you're trying to manage tasks or keep track of various data points within your spreadsheet. Let's dive right in and get started. First and foremost, you'll want to log into your Google account and navigate over to Google Sheets. If you haven't yet, you can do this by simply entering the Google Sheets URL into your browser. This will bring you to a display of all your existing spreadsheets. If you don't have one set up already, you might want to open a new sheet or locate the specific one you need to work on. Once you've got your Google Sheet open, ensure that your sheet already contains checkboxes. These checkboxes are critical to our exercise today, as they are what we will be counting. Checkboxes are typically represented as small squares that can be ticked or left unticked, and they are perfect tools for organizing lists or keeping track of completed items. Now, focusing on where you'd like the total number of checkboxes to be displayed on your sheet, you'll need to select a cell. This cell is where the magic will happen, so make sure it's convenient for your viewing. Think about where you want this summary information, perhaps at the top of your list or maybe at the end. The next step involves entering a specific formula into that selected cell. Click on the cell and type in the following formula. COUNTIF A2 C100 true, plus COUNTIF A2 C100 false. What this does is count every checkbox within the range specified, in this case A2 through C100, regardless of whether the checkboxes are checked or unchecked. This formula is comprehensive and gives you a total count based on the parameters you've set. After entering the formula, simply press Enter on your keyboard. With this action, the cell will now populate with the total number of checkboxes in your selected range. It's a straightforward method, yet it provides powerful insight into how many tasks or items you're managing within your Google Sheet. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're able to track, count, and stay organized with your use of checkboxes in Google Sheets. It's an efficient way to manage workflow or gather data, ensuring nothing gets left unchecked. Literally. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, every checkbox matters as you work towards maintaining a structured and productive spreadsheet. Happy organizing.